What's up, everybody? I'm Brigitte Bidet, and I'm about to show you all the things that I slap on my face to get pretty. Step 10. Next up, we got foundation. I use this incredible Dermablend leg and body makeup. So it's actually meant for like tattoo coverage on actors and movies, or for people who need to have full coverage on parts of their skin no matter what the reason. Okay, this thing will work. Dermablend also has some great pan foundations as well. I just love to cut corners and save time, and this is a time-saving corner cutter of makeup. I just take it straight from the bottle and just again, I'm not like dumping it on my face like those TikTok people. I'm actually using the amount of product that I need sensibly to get the coverage that I need. And I don't have to use a brush or my finger to get it out of the makeup thing, which is amazing because it's just less mess. And getting into drag is messy enough. So why not do yourself a favor? And this is also kind of a conceptual look right here. Wow. We're gonna use our amazing blending sponge, get some water on it, plump it up. Now wring that out really well. Get all the excess moisture. We just start to blend it all in. This baby is shaped for different areas of your face and lasts forever, is easily cleaned using just a bit of dish soap or bar soap. I love it. It applies the product evenly. Get this gorgeous coverage, honey. Okay, well there we are.